I am giving away a free perm blizzard. All you have to do to win it is like, sub, and join the Discord. I'm going to be picking someone from my Discord to win the free perm blizzard. But remember to like and subscribe and join the Discord if you want a chance of winning that. Alright, the first move on the soul rework is Frostfire Grasp. That's actually a pretty nice move, I'm not gonna lie. Next we have Wrath of Ra. It doesn't look like it changed that much, and I don't really think it did. Wrath of Shu. That's honestly not that bad. Sky Ruler. If you see the little bar right there, if you hold F while it's on red, you'll be flying on the red one. If you do it while it's on blue, you'll be flying on the blue one, if that makes any sense. And end times. Damn, that's one of my favorite moves in the game. It looks so cool. They changed the door fruit. It's no longer door, it's portal. And it's a legendary fruit now, which is kind of sick. Look at that. That's such a sick looking fruit. I can't even lie. Alright, let's go ahead and eat the portal fruits. I'm not 100% sure. If I that's so annoying. I can't use dimensional rift, but we have portal dash. Holy bro, let me see. Let's see that again real quick. Look at this. That's sick. Parallel escape. Bro, the effort that went into this is insane. World warp, that's just next move is quantum leap. I really like the portals. It doesn't really do too much, but there's also an M1 now, and you can like that's sick. You can M1 with door now, or sorry, portal. They added a new fruit to the game called Blizzard, and I'm actually gonna go ahead and buy the perm of this. It is kind of expensive, but you know, we're doing it for the video. There we go, permanent Blizzard. Alright, I don't have like any of the moves for this, so alright, I finally have all the moves on Blizzard. The first move is Snowflake Shuriken. It's pretty cool looking. It's a pretty decent move. The next move is Whiteout. It's kind of like a tornado. It's pretty cool, I guess. Not my favorite move, but we have Tornado Flight, which it's kind of like the Sand Flight or Sand Tornado Flight, but again, it's not that bad. Next we have Hallowing Wind, which I really like this move. I think it looks really cool, personally. And then Blizzard Domain, which is the oh Jesus! It hits a large radius, as you can see.